In this video, I will help you understand how to create, edit, and publish status reports using the Status Canvas and Report Grid in Clarity. It's critical to remember that the Status module is a generic module and is available across projects and all custom investment types in Clarity. While I will demonstrate status in the context of projects in this video, remember that the concepts covered here can be applied for projects and other investment types. Let's open a project and go to the Status module. The latest draft of the status report appears by default in the Canvas view. Let's navigate to the Reports grid to create a new report. When we click the new report name, the Status Canvas opens and default widgets appear. Click the Configure button to select Layout and add widgets to your report. We are currently looking at the 4-column layout. Here's what the 6-column layout looks like. Here's what the 8-column layout looks like. I think we should use the 4-column layout for ease of stakeholder viewing. Now let's add some new widgets to our report to raise stakeholder awareness. Let's start by adding the milestone timeline to the report. Let's add effort and cost metrics to this report so we can make them visible to stakeholders. Now let's add a widget that shows outstanding number of tasks for this project. Now let's add a progress ring to show the current % of tasks completed to provide a holistic look at project tasks for stakeholders. Now let's create and add a new table to the report to communicate risks for this project. Finally, let's add a table that displays to-dos and their status for this project. When you click the Done button, a draft of this report will be added to the Status Report grid. Let's navigate to the Report grid and click the name of our new status report to finalize and publish it. Let's look at other modules for this project to determine appropriate status for schedule, scope, cost, and effort. Based on the tasks, to-dos, risks, and issues data, and the fact this project is supposed to wrap up later this month, I'm selecting at risk as the status for these. Finally, I will add a bit of status narrative to finalize this report. Let's preview the report to see what it will look like in PDF format. When the report looks ready for stakeholders, we click the Publish button to finalize it. Notice how the report status has now changed to Final in the Reports grid. Now you should understand how to use the Status Canvas and Status Report Grid in Clarity to create and edit status reports for your projects and investments.